Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to take videos using the PhotoBooth app on your iPad. While PhotoBooth is not as commonly used as it once was, it still has some fun and interesting features for capturing photos with real-time effects. However, it's important to note that the PhotoBooth app does not support video recording. It's exclusively for taking photos. But don't worry, I'll show you an alternative method. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what PhotoBooth can do. The PhotoBooth app is designed for taking photos with a variety of live effects. You can look at yourself and see the effects being applied right away, making it a fun and interactive experience. You can capture photos using either the front or rear camera, giving you flexibility depending on what you want to photograph. The app offers a range of effects, such as thermal, mirror, and X-ray, which can add a creative twist to your photos. The interface of PhotoBooth is straightforward and user-friendly. There's a large button at the bottom center of the screen that you tap to take pictures. Once you've captured your photos, they are saved directly to your device's photo library, making them easy to find and share later. Now, since PhotoBooth doesn't support video recording, we'll use the screen recording feature on your iPad as an alternative. To start screen recording, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to access the control center. You'll see the screen recording icon, which looks like a solid circle within another circle. Tap this icon to begin recording. A 3-second countdown will appear, giving you a moment to get ready. If you don't see the screen recording option in your control center, you'll need to add it. Go to Settings, then tap on Control Center. Find the option labeled More Controls and locate Screen Recording in the list. Tap the green plus icon next to it to add the screen recording feature to your control center. This setup ensures that you can start recording quickly whenever you need to. Using screen recording with PhotoBooth allows you to capture videos of yourself with the live effects applied. While it's not as seamless as having a built-in video recording feature, it's a practical workaround. Once you've finished your screen recording session, the video will be saved directly to your device's photo library, just like your photos. This makes it easy to access, edit, and share your recordings. So while the PhotoBooth app itself doesn't support video recording, the combination of PhotoBooth and the screen recording feature on your iPad provides a great way to capture fun and creative videos. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll give screen recording. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.